mademoiselle. How's it going? What is the problem? You're not happy with your photo?
No, I cannot find a good composition. Look at that. There's too much people, too much going on. I'm like, it's catastrophic.
I have a great idea for you. I'm going to show you some really cool composition trick because you're right, the light is very bad today. But if you find the good composition, then the good foreground, the leading line, the background, you will get an amazing photo, so amazing that it will make you very famous. You're going to be so famous. I see you like glasses. You will be able to get all the nice glasses that you want. You will be able to enjoy the life on the Riviera. Bref, la belle vie. Okay, are you okay that I help you?
I will be happy.
Come with me, I'll show you. It's amazing. It's incredible. You will love it. I promise.
Okay.
Here is my first study. You see this beautiful bench? This could be a great foreground element. Right now the light is too hard, but the sun is going to set over there. This whole village is going to light up, so you're going to have a better light. So you get the bench as a foreground, you're going to get the beach, the whole village and the mountain as a background. If the light is good tonight, it could be amazing. What I do, as I said, during the day, I look for composition, and when the good light comes, bam, we take the photo, and it's amazing, make you famous, okay? Okay, here is my second idea. Might not work, right now the sun is really blinding me, it's crazy, is you go very low, very low, very low, and the lower you go to the water, the bigger the wave is gonna be, and the water is gonna act as a foreground element to the whole city. But we have to wait for the right light, we have to wait for the sun to come down. It is the wrong time to take the photo, but later on, might be crazy. One other idea I have, which might not work, because if there's a lot of people that it's not gonna work, is to use the paddle. If we use the paddle, we can go really low and have the full reflection of the city in the paddle. It could be an image that wins. Okay, here is my third idea. So we take your camera, we put on a tripod, we find a very cool, nice rock as a foreground element, and then we take the photo, we find the framing to see if it works, and if it works, we come back at night and we take the amazing photo. Also, if you have an iPhone, you can shoot using the live mode. Make sure you use the self timer 2 seconds so you don't touch the iPhone when it takes photo, and it makes a really cool long exposure effect. Let me show you. Okay, so what you do is you take your photo, because it was live, you go here and you go to pose long, which means long pose, and boom, long exposure. Look at that. Pose long. This one, let's try this one. You can just go live, pose long. And the key thing is to use a 2-second timer. And if you use my black and white presets, which you can get on photosearch.com, you're gonna get amazing black and white long exposure photography. Crazy. Let's go back to the main part and wait for the right light and take the photos that we practiced during daylight. See if it works. Yes, madam, now this is the perfect light. It's just the beginning of the blue hour. I'm sure you're gonna get an amazing photo. Yeah, beautiful framing, beautiful color. Bonjour, madame. So are you happy with the photo that we took yesterday?
Oh, yes.
Great. Let me show you the result. I took the liberty of retouching them with my free preset that anybody can get by clicking the link down below. So the first photo is the one that we took with the bench. This is the before and this is the after with my preset.
Wow.
Yes, the next one is the one with the water. This is the before and this is after with the free preset.
Woohoo!
Next one is the one that we took with the puddle. I love this one. This is the before and the after with the preset.
Oh la la, I love this one. This is my favorite.
And the last, the most beautiful, almost as beautiful as you are, the one that you took with the water at night with the city. This is the before and this is the after with the free preset.
Oh, you're even better.
Yes, I hope you're gonna get my free preset, madame, and I hope you're enjoying this photography and you have a great day.